so.
Danny, did you talk about the XPipe stuff?
Yeah, we did talk about that. And
Okay.
I thought it was really cool. Actually, I went ahead and kept it. And so I guess I can just show, since it's easier to do that than to... So I got it installed in Chasm. Sure, it's still installed. Yes. Okay. I'm going to turn on. So what XPipe does... Big screen here. All right. So if you want to... This is Chasm. So this is a cool application too. I got this running in an LXC. But I see Chasm VNC. What it is basically kind of an OS inside of a Docker container, and then they use Chasm VNC to actually use it. And Chasm VNC is a browser-based VNC, kind of like a Guacamole, if you guys remember. So this is what I use for nicotine as well. If you guys are familiar, we've talked about nicotine plus past. Anyway, so XPipe is a way to quickly SSH and observe all your servers within a single interface, and it's very handy. So they have a Proxmox plugin, but to use that, you have to actually pay a subscription to the home server or the pro version, and you don't have to use it. If you don't use it, you have to do everything manually, which is fine. So I set up everything. So I've got my 3 nodes here for my Proxmox server, and if I have these color coded. If I click on one, it'll, I've got it set up with keys, my public keys, and if I click on one, it opens an interface. So here's the Proxmox server for the Raspberry Pi right here. Let's see. I've got them organized over here. So my nodes are the 3 I'm sorry. My nodes are the 3 computers within Proxmox. So that's what I'm on now. I have LXCs. So LXCs are all the Linux containers I have in Proxmox. So I have them all set up here and color coded in green. So like if I wanted to go to the Jitsi, I would just click on it and boom, it opens up an SSH terminal right there. And you can organize everything how you want. So I color coded all my LXCs to be green. There's also different options here. You can go to your Docker container, which is inside the LXC, or go into the LXC itself. They give you a option between dash and bash. And we're looking here. So here's the 3 options I have. And here's the Docker container, which is the default configuration. So you have those, and then here's my VMs. I think I colored the yellow. Yeah, yellow. And then I can do the same thing with the VMs. Like here's the matrix server. Click on that. Boom. I've automatically got a shell, the key, and got everything nice and organized. So anytime I need to access it, I've got access through Chasm, which is behind a password, and then XPipe as well. So I don't have to do a SSH connection from some stranger's Wi-Fi or whatever like that. If I were going to do that, I would use WireGuard. I also have set up. So that's XPipe. I recommend it. unless you really need all the features from the home server version and all that stuff.